Hello, I'm Ramón Arancibia, horticulture specialist with the University of Missouri Extension. We're going to talk about sanitation of greenhouses and high tunnel. Consider or plan for sanitation in a downtime of crop production. For high tunnel, this might be in the middle of the winter. Prevention is one of the basic principles in integrated pest management. As a rule of thumb, prevention is always easier and better than curing a problem. And sanitation is the first step in preventing or delaying the incidence of insect pests, diseases, and weeds. So, because plant debris is a refuge for insects and a source of inoculum of plant pathogens, start with cleaning by removing weeds and all plant material from greenhouses and high tunnels and their surroundings. And wash everything in them, structure, fumes, ground cover, pots, etc. Everything should be washed before going into disinfection to kill or inactivate plant pathogens harbored in dust particles and organic residue. Many growers incorporate plant residue into the soil to increase organic matter. However, this may contribute to increased inoculum of soil-borne diseases. So remove all infected plants before incorporation. A weed barrier can be used with certain crops to prevent weed growth and facilitates cleaning. Use on top of the soil and gravel. Do not put gravel on top of the weed barrier because it will accumulate organic matter and harbor pathogens as well as certain insects and mites. Use shop vacuums for concrete and cover floors to remove all small particles of plant material. And wash with cleaning agents or soap and water before going into disinfection. Several disinfecting agents can be used for disinfection. Isopropyl alcohol at 70% is effective to kill microbes on contact. Use it mainly on tools and small equipment because it's a little costly. Bleach or sodium hypochlorite at 0.5% is widely used and economic. Use it within 2 hours of mixing because it loses effectiveness or activity with time. Also make sure that area is well ventilated because fumes may affect the applicator. Organic matter neutralizes chlorine. That's why this is another reason why cleaning before disinfected is important. And certain plants may be phytosensitive to chlorine, so producing a phytotoxicity. However, this is dependent on concentration. Hydrogen peroxide can kill a wide range of microbes on contact, using structure benches, pots, etc. If using for dipping tools, test and add more to maintain the activity since organic matter can reduce the effectiveness. That's why it's important to clean before disinfecting. It can be harmful for eyes or on contact, same as chlorine too. Quaternary ammonium salts is also a good disinfectant and is more stable and keep the activity for much longer time. Can be used in tools, flats, etc. And it can be used to disinfect seeds also. And this concludes this presentation. And I want to acknowledge these two publications from David Trinkline that can be found in the IPM MU Extension IPM website. It will give you more details on sanitation of greenhouses and high tunnels. Thank you.